What's up guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to read and delete codes on your BMW with INPA. Let's get on with the video. Alright, so first off, you gotta be in your car to do this. Second off, you're gonna need a laptop. And third, you're gonna need a K+DCAN cable. I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below for this cable and also for the INPA software. And also, if you don't have INPA yet, I'm gonna leave a link for a video down below on the description showing you how to download it. So let's start with the video. So first you need to plug your K+DCAN cable into the OBD2 port. And after that we need to connect it to the laptop. This here is the K+DCAN cable. This is the OBD2 port. Just connect it over here. And look for the red light. And now you need to connect it to your laptop. Alright, so now when your cable is already connected to the OBD2 port, you're gonna grab your USB port right here and you're gonna connect it to your laptop. You can do this inside or outside of the car, it doesn't really matter. And now you're gonna need a load of input. You can see it right there. I'm gonna be recording the screen like this because I don't have a software to record the screen. So yeah, just wait for input to load. Alright, so for some reason it didn't load on me for the first time, so you just go to the INPA software, double click it, and there we go. It's launched already. You can see cable detected, yes, because it's connected to the laptop. Now you're gonna need to grab your key and put it in your in the key holder and press the start button. But don't start the engine, just press the start button and don't hold the brake, like that. Alright, so once your ignition is on, you're gonna go to INPA and you're gonna see ignition on. So here you're gonna have a list of all the cars that you can read codes of, like for example 1 series, 3 series, 5 and 6 series, 7 series, X5, and so on. You can pause the video and look at them, but right now what we're gonna be working on is on E90. If you guys can see it right there, E90, 91, 92, and 93. So you can see it's F3. So here you can go to F3, which is E90 right there. And let it focus. There we go. Just click on F3. This is gonna load up. Now just click on functional jobs. Wait for it to load. Language variants do not match, malfunction possible. Just click OK. Now you're in the main menu. Now you just go to error memory right here, which is F4. So you click F4 down here. And now F1, which is read error memory. Now click F1. Reading error memory, please wait. Now when you're here, these are all your codes. In my case, I have all these codes, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 codes on all my modules. INPA can actually read the codes from actually all the modules. You don't have to check each module individually. So you can see, like for example, my DME, which is like the engine management module, like the ECU. DSC, car access system, your footwell module, your combi, which is for the instrument cluster, and your FRM, which is for the lights and everything. So yeah, I think this one is for the alarm, but I don't have the alarm system. I just coded that in, and as you guys can see, I have 4 codes on the footwell module, which are because of LED lights, and one on a DME, which is 2F71, which, if I'm not mistaken, is low oil. But other than that, that's it. So now, if you want, you can take a picture of it. In my case, I take pictures of it to look up the error codes later, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright, so once you've taken the picture, you just go to back. Now you're back in the main menu. You just click F4 again, which is error memory. Better focus. Alright, F4, which is error memory. And now you're in error memory, just click F2, which is clear error memory. So you gotta go down here. F2, clear EM. Clearing error memory, please wait. You'll see all the codes leading off your car. And once it's all done, you can see like all the modules, and you can see like no faults. I used to have one on the DME, if you remember, and now it's gone because I deleted it. But I think once I start my car again, it will reappear. I don't know why. It's like a shadow code. Oh no, if I'm not mistaken, the 2F71 is a E-box fan, which is like the fan from the ECU. But other than that, the other ones are like from some lights I have in their interior. And yeah, that's it. Like you can see, there's no more codes. Now you just click back, and again, and you want to quit? Yes, disconnect it from here. But yeah, and that's it. Now you can just unplug your cable and just start your car. Just to make sure everything's okay. I need some gas right now, so I'll turn it off quickly. But yeah, that's it. And you can turn off the car again. If you want to see some videos on how to code, actually just click on, I'll just show you like what you can code. Just hold the start stop button. Wait till the car's on. Hold the start, and just the keypad stuff. And if you guys want to see how to code that, let me know in the comments and I'll show you how. This is another thing that you can actually code in. So if you know, you can actually roll the windows down like with the button. Just hold it down, and all the windows will automatically roll down. But if you don't have it coded, you can't like roll the windows back up. So you can code that with NCS Expert, and just hold the lock button, and now all the windows go back up, as well as the sunroof. It didn't open this time, but yeah, that's another thing you can actually code with NCS Expert. If you guys want to see something with that, let me know in the comments and I will show you how to do that. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to leave a big like down below. Also, comment what you thought of the video. And if you also want to see some stuff on how to code your BMW with NCS Expert, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll probably do a video on that also. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.